Get a feel for the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Introducing the Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid, a luxurious SUV that seamlessly combines elegance, performance, and eco-friendly efficiency. This refined vehicle features an advanced hybrid powertrain, delivering exceptional fuel economy without compromising on power. The Nautilus Hybrid's sophisticated design is complemented by a spacious, meticulously crafted interior. Equipped with cutting-edge technology like the Lincoln Co-Pilot 360 suite and an intuitive infotainment system, experience unparalleled comfort, advanced safety features, and a smooth, responsive drive with the Lincoln Nautilus Hybrid. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, 360-degree view car camera, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, satellite radio, power liftgate, backup camera. Elevate your driving experience